How do you go about explaining to people this concept that there is no before time?
I think you just had this out with Piers Morgan, didn't you? This question of what came before the Big Bang.
Physicists, at least I think most physicists, will say that time began in the Big Bang, and therefore there is no meaning to be attached to the word before when it applies to the Big Bang. I am not a physicist, and there are probably some good physicists in this audience, and I wouldn't presume to attempt to explain why it is that physicists say this, but I think it's one of those things where we have to say our common sense is not necessarily going to give rise to, going to do it. And it's very clear if you read a book about relativity or quantum theory that common sense just is out of it. I mean, you can't use common sense. And so when physicists tell me that in their models time began at an instant, which they call the Big Bang, I have to submit gracefully and humbly and say it's not my subject.